Hello and welcome to CHEM 117 Fundamentals of Chemistry. I am Dr. Vites and I will be your instructor for this semester. This is a one-semester course which can be taken with its companion laboratory, CHEM 118, to satisfy the general education requirement in the knowledge of the disciplines in the natural sciences. It can also be used to prepare for CHEM 121, General Chemistry 1, a course required for most science and engineering degrees, or it can be used to prepare for CHEM 120, Fundamentals of Organic and Biochemistry, a course required by the nursing program and other allied health programs. Welcome. The textbook we're going to be using this semester is called Introductory Chemistry by Nivaldo J. Tro. We're using the 5th edition, which is not the latest, which makes the book a little bit cheaper than using the latest. And you can buy it from the EMU bookstore or online. I recommend that you buy a used book. We will use also the ALEX system for assignments and monitoring learning. Further details will be given at our first class meeting. For in-class materials, you will need to bring a scientific calculator to every meeting and a Wi-Fi device, which we'll use for doing Kahoot. If you don't know what that is, you will learn it in the first class. So make sure to bring a Wi-Fi device. It could be your phone. Outside the class, you will need to use the textbook that I just mentioned. You will need to have internet access. And you will need to use the ALEX tutoring system. Again, more details on the ALEX tutoring system, I will give them during the first day of classes. Class meetings will be held in room 156 of the Science Complex. If you're not familiar with the Science Complex, I recommend that you give yourself enough time to figure out the numbering. It's not straightforward. We meet from 12:30 p.m. to 1:45 p.m. every Monday and Wednesday for the duration of the semester. Again, bring a scientific calculator and your Wi-Fi device, which will be just your smartphone. For our first meeting, you need to have read Chapter 1, which is titled The Chemical World, before we meet on September 5th. So if you don't have a book or access to it, I will send an email on how you can get access to this chapter. In case you missed it earlier, I am Dr. Vites. My office is on the 5th floor, 501S, Science Complex. And to get there, you'll have to take the elevators to the 5th floor, then veer to the left as you come out of the elevators, and then make the first left. At that point, you should be able to see my office door with my last name on it. My phone number is 487-0129, and I will answer the phone if I'm in my office. If I'm not in my office, you will probably need to send me an email message. My email address is jvites@imh.edu. And if you're not able to reach me any other way, then you're welcome to text me to my phone. The phone number is 734-741-3770. I look forward to seeing you in class. And although chemistry is a hard subject for the majority of the students, I hope that you will personally find this course useful and rewarding. Thanks for listening, and see you soon.